How to obtain PMP certification. Step-by-step guide. Hey there, welcome back to IF Global Management Training. If you're joining us for the first time, we welcome you to be part of our subscribers so you never miss our latest videos on project management and career development tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that's vital for anyone aiming to get their PMP certification. We'll break down the essential steps and share expert tips to help you navigate the process successfully. Let's get started, starting with the introduction of PMP certification. Before we dive into the details, let's get on the same page about what PMP certification is all about. As you might already know, the Project Management Professional (PMP) certification is a prestigious credential recognized worldwide. It's not just a certification, it's a major step forward in advancing your project management skills and career. In this video, we'll focus on 1. Understanding eligibility requirements for the PMP exam. 2. Starting the PMP application process. 3. Planning your study materials. Understanding each of these steps is crucial for a smooth certification journey. Once you complete this video, be sure to check our comprehensive video of 7 effective PMP study tips to prepare you effectively and make your exam day as smooth as possible. Okay, let's start by exploring the eligibility requirements to ensure you're set up for success in your PMP journey. To qualify for the PMP exam, you need to meet specific educational and professional criteria. Here's how to break it down. Secondary degree. If you have a high school diploma or an associate's degree, you need 35 hours of formal project management training and at least 60 months of project leadership experience within the past 8 years. Your application should showcase your role in managing projects from start to finish. For example, if you've worked as a project coordinator, your experience should highlight your leadership in directing projects to successful outcomes. If you hold a bachelor's degree, you'll need 36 months of project management experience in the past 8 years, along with 35 hours of formal training. Your application should still demonstrate comprehensive project management experience. Your experience typically signifies a high-level qualification, so it should be diverse, covering different project domains. Your project management experience must be within the last 8 years. On a side note, when you are filling out the application later, you should demonstrate how you led and managed the different types of projects, and showcase your ability to handle project challenges. For instance, if you've managed both IT and construction projects, you need to write the details of your roles and responsibilities in each to illustrate your skill set. However, the 35 hours of project management training ensures that you understand project management principles. These 35 hours of training can be achieved through accredited online courses such as IFGMT.com, which offers high-quality courses aligned with the latest PMI examination content outline. Understanding these eligibility criteria is the first step toward a successful application. Once you know you meet the requirements, it's time to move on to the application process. Starting the PMP application process. Once you've confirmed that you meet the requirements, it's time to submit your application. Here's how. Go to the PMI website to create or log into your account. This is where you'll manage your application and exam details. Provide detailed information about your project management experience, training, and education. Be thorough and honest about them. For a quick reminder, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Okay, after submitting your application, PMI will review it, which may take a few days. Then, you'll receive an email with the outcome. Note that your application might be randomly selected for an audit. In that case, PMI will inform you about the audit process. So, before you submit your application, ensure all details about your project management experience, training, and education are accurate to avoid delays. Once your application is approved, you'll need to pay the exam fee and schedule your exam. PMI members pay $405, while non-members pay $655. So, consider joining PMI for the discount if you're not already a member. With your application approved, it's time for you to focus on preparing for the exam. Plan your study materials because effective preparation is key to passing the PMP exam. Here's how to organize your study plan. Number 1. Read the primary reference books thoroughly and take notes. Supplement with study guides or flashcards. Number 2. Enroll PMP exam preparation course, either online or in person. Remember, our courses cover key PMP exam information that helps you to pass the exam. Number 3. Connect with other PMP candidates through study groups online or in person to share knowledge and discuss topics. Preparing well is crucial as it helps you feel confident and ready on exam day. There you have it. Thanks for watching our guide on how to obtain PMP certification. Have questions or need more tips? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, consistency and dedication are your best allies. Good luck on your PMP journey, and see you in the next video.